Welcome back to the Clock Shop. This is Jim with JR Clocker on eBay. Let's see what happened at the Clock Shop this week. Okay, I just got all these pieces in. Customer of mine was trying to fix this broken spring that was on the time side here. And he didn't secure the spring before he opened up the movement, and it blew up on him. This was a spring that blew up on him, and we'll take a peek at this, make sure that the spring is good. And he asked me if I would put it back together for him. So what I am going to do right now in part one is I'm going to evaluate everything. Okay. The pivots look pretty good on that one. They'll all get polished, but pretty good on that one. So I can get a tour done. Escapement, that's kind of important. Other than being polished, it looks pretty good. This one, take another peek at it. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just taking a peek, make sure there's no damage. I'll go spin them on my lathe to make sure the shafts are true. There's a little scoring, but that's from age. And I'm not looking at them in any particular order. This happens to be a strike side wheel. Some point in time, and I'll show you here in a minute after I go through this stuff, I'll definitely spin this one to make sure that it's true. This is the one that broke off. I'll check the click. It looks pretty good, actually. And it all looks pretty good, other than being grimy dirty, which we'll clean that. And so it was the time side that broke. Ooh, what's that in there? That may just be a piece of packing. I'll look closer into that, but I think it was just a piece of, I believe, packing material. But once I get the spring off, I'll be able to look at that one a little bit better. Anyway, the last part I want to show you is these bushings were done. They're not too bad. They ride a little bit high. So the wrong thickness of bushing was used. It doesn't bother me too much if it's on the outside. It bothers me more if it's on the inside. It looks like it was sorry about the focus. 1903 Gilbert. When I put it back together, solder has been introduced here, so I'll see what the story is there. Why people... Do yourself a favor, don't introduce solder to movements. It's not cool. Check one more thing here, because it's stamped on both sides, so sometimes I will chamfer all these bushings because they weren't. And they need a little... When you chamfer the inside, it holds a slight bit of oil for you. Lubricant. All right. Let me talk to the client, and we'll see what we're going to do going forward here. It's pretty straightforward. It does need to be cleaned. Once I do the initial cleaning, I will come back and do a video. I will have it unsprung, and we'll take a look at the bushings and make sure that they're not too loose, or in this case, not too tight, because I found a couple that were a little bit tight. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Please like, subscribe, make a comment, and I will see you next time.